Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a hair video, another one, I know. So as a natural dark brown brunette as a base, I got this very nice brassy orange yellow tones in my hair after bleaching it. Today I'm gonna go ahead and tone my hair. The goal is to have some light blonde as well as some light brown. I don't want any warm tone in my hair because I don't feel like it suits my skin tone, and I'm overall a fan of ashy tones, and I think it's a very trendy kind of hair shade at the moment, so why not? My guess is if you are watching this video right now, you probably have some orange brassiness or yellow tones into your hair after bleaching it, so don't worry, I got you girls. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to have some nice professional looking result. First of all, I wanted to show you what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna show you what you need to fix this mess. All the product I'm using are from Amazon, Sally Beauty Store, Walmart, so it's all accessible, affordable, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. So you need a T14 Wella toner from the Sally Beauty Store first. I mean, that's gonna be the last thing that we're gonna use, but you also need to have that ready. We'll need, this one is from Sally Beauty Store. This is the Wella Color Charm Medium Ash Blonde, and it's the 7A tone. The ash tones, which are blue here, they will cancel the orange and brassiness, so you need something like this. And the last color I'm using is the Schwarzkopf Professional, the Agora Royal Permanent Color Cream, and this is in the shade Light Ash Blonde. And the shade for this one is 8 Light Ash Blonde. So I don't have new gloves, I'm just using the one I have, but you need to have gloves. You also need a plastic brush. Sally Beauty Store sells them super cheap. You need a plastic bowl, such as this one. Don't use metal, please. You need a 20 volume developer. This one is from Amazon, it's also from Schwarzkopf. You need something like this, like a little comb, a comb tail. You also need some hair ties like those ones. If you're wearing like something nice, you want to put a towel on you because it's gonna stain and make it look very messy. I don't care about this one. You can see it's already like very old and stuff, so I don't mind having color on it. First thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. You can use your brush. I'm using this very giant comb for that. Going from here. So I section my hair in 3 parts, the lowest, and then in the middle another one, and then one for the top of my head. So you will have 3 sections to start with. Once I'm done sectioning my hair, it's time to do all the mixture. So I eyeball it, I don't measure, but you will need, for example, 1 tablespoon of each color, and just add the 20 volume developer to cover the color and mix everything together. Starting with my lower section, I divided in 2. I'm gonna use, make sure you have a towel on the side, just so you can clean your hand in between each strand so it doesn't look all messy. So I just apply first with my brush, and then I blend with my fingers. So you can see here, I'm just showing you the top part because that's where I have the most brassy color. So I'll go over first with my brush. I make sure to cover all the orange yellow tones that I don't want, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend with my fingers. Make sure you don't go all the way up so you don't have hot roots. That means your roots will be lighter than your actual hair color, and that will look really bad. So make sure you don't touch your roots when you're doing this process. So here again, I'm going in with my brush first, making sure I cover all the brassy part and blending in with my fingers. And yeah, for the top part, I just section vertically, very thin section, so I don't miss any spots. So I just use my comb section and then and so and so, just like I'm showing you here. Okay, we're done applying the color. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for half an hour and then rinse it out with cold water. Make sure you don't use hot water. And then now it's time to use my T14 Wella toner. I'm gonna mix this with a 20 volume developer. So you want to empty that toner bottle and then fill it out twice with a 20 volume developer and mix everything together. Make sure you go very fast when applying the toner so it's even on your entire head. And make sure that you don't touch your roots when you apply the toner as well, and let that sit for half an hour, then rinse it out. Hey guys, so here is the final result. I wanted to show you what it looks like with a light so you can see exactly the shades and everything. So I'm pretty happy with the result. It's more blonde than brassy finally. Took a while to get the brass off, but we're finally there. So here I am in the daylight room and you can see please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!